Okay, ready? My lamp is on. My lamp is on.
Drax them slouts?
So, I'm here again with Matt. We're gonna do that one challenge. I don't really know what it's called, but it's pretty much. I know that sounded so smart, right? Where basically someone has their you got something on your eyeball. So we're gonna do that challenge where pretty much one person has music in and it's really loud, and the other person says something, and you have to guess what that person says. Maybe I'll just talk it like just normal voice. Maybe that'll help.
It's part of the game?
No. Okay, you good? Okay. Back flipping giraffes. Back flipping giraffes. Back flipping giraffes.
You have to pee with straps?
That sounds scary. Okay, ready? See in Morty's butt.
Again, this is Morty's butt?
It's kind of close. Boom! Anyway, sorry.
Definitely sold Debbie.
Debbie. Okay, I'm going now. Okay.
Right.
But I'm gonna give you two guesses.
Val of Maya.
Fallon on Kimmel? Is that?
Val of Maya, that's the name of the band. I love bananas.
I love bananas? I did it!
Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel the love tonight?
Well, again? Can you see my TV? Can you feel the love tonight? Are you ready? My lamp is on. My lamp is on.
Drax them slouts?
This is a king of field.
I thought you were going Drax, Clam, slouts. Sunny side up eggs. Sunny side up eggs.
Pair up my... Again? Or?
Sunny side up eggs.
Pear hats?
Pear hats? Sunny side up eggs. Pear hats! I have a pear hat.
Again?
I have a pear hat.
You have a pear hat? I have a pear hat?
Chicken fajita.
Again?
Chicken fajita.
Shellfish?
Chicken fajita.
Checkfish? Wait, the song's getting quiet, but I'm also really deaf, so I can't really hear.
Chicken fajita.
Checkmate? Checkfish? Shellfish!
Chicken fajita.
Alright, guys, I hope that was funny. Oh god! What's happening? What's happening? Yeah!
Cool.
That was pretty sad. It was like a Hitchcock scene. I'll see you guys, or we'll see you guys next time. I want to do that.
No. Never.